Happy Monday. My name is Halle and welcome to a new moving vlog. For those who do not know, I am moving in with my fiance, who is my soon-to-be husband in 2 weeks, Patrick, and we are moving into our first apartment together, which is really exciting. The wedding date is coming so fast and I'm really excited. So with some progress, today I moved in some of my clothes that I'm not wearing. So I literally was like sweating. Pat has to like take one box out of my trunk that I didn't get because it's too heavy for me. And sorry if I'm looking sweaty. My makeup was looking good like not too long ago, so I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that we've gotten new that Patrick has gotten, and then we're just gonna do some unboxing and decluttering. So let's get started. So starting off, we have this shoe rack here, and Pat bought this from Target a couple of days ago. We're gonna get rid of some of the shoes he's not wearing, like these Converse, because he doesn't wear them, and we're gonna put like the other shoes that he has underneath our bed in like a shoe organizer that we have. Pat also got this kitchen mat, and over here, excuse the dirty dishes, but he bought a little paper towel rack. Also, shout out to my parents who bought us a microwave. We have an air fryer, but my mom's like, I feel like you guys need an actual microwave to heat other stuff up. So I'm gonna unbox that later. All right, so here we're going for the bedroom organization. So I got this little like shoe organizer thing that will like fill up with all of our shoes, and then it will go underneath our bed here. And then we also have these little, like, I guess they're more like shelves, and we'll fill it with like socks, underwear, and then other miscellaneous stuff like belts, gloves, hats, that type of thing. So I already did it in my own house with my own stuff, but we need to do it with Pat's stuff. So I'm going to get to doing that. So I just organized all of his shoes, and now for the rest. happy Tuesday. So today Brie and I are going to go on our little sister coffee date thing. I think we're gonna go to Smokin' Tiger and it's literally so good. And then we'll just see what else we get into. It's probably Five Below or Marshalls or something like that. So let's go. So it's not me. Yeah. Smile. All right, guys, so I am back. I went to Five Below, so I wanted to show you guys some things that I got for the apartment because like I've been in between getting like small little stuff that I can get around for like cheaper other than like constantly going to Target, because Target, IKEA, all those places start to add up. So let's get started. So the first thing I have in here is this cute little, like, I think it's called a paper rope tray, but I think this will be good for like for our mail, because we have nothing to put. Literally Pat just got the mail, so I was like, oh, that's good that you got the mail, because I have this. So he's probably gonna go pick it up in a couple of days when he comes pick me up on Friday. And then we also got a little bed canopy. I thought this was gonna be so cute because our room is like a very like gray, black and white, that type, and like cream kind of colors. So I went with a bed canopy. I wanna see how we can do this to make it like, you know, like apartment friendly, because I wanna produce as less holes in the wall as possible. So we'll see if I can do that. Then also in terms of decor, I also got this little like battery powered lamp for my nightstand, because we have very limited socket space, because most of the sockets near the bed in the bedroom will mostly go to Pat's like purple bed. So I got myself a battery powered lamp, so I'm gonna see if, you know, it works with the vibe. So yeah, there's that. And then in terms of also like more like decor, but we're getting into like the cleaning sanitation type thing, I got this little black trash can, and this is supposed to go into the bathroom because we only have a kitchen trash can right now. And now for cleaning stuff, I saw these on TikTok, like this damp duster. So you just like wet it and then you can like dust around. I was gonna get like a regular duster, but I just felt like this is gonna be a lot easier. So I heard that like Scrub Daddy, I've never used a Scrub Daddy before, but I've heard that it's pretty good. So yeah. And then we also have another Scrub Daddy. Well, this is kind of like the Scrub Mommy, and it's like dishwasher safe, and it's got all this cool stuff. I thought it was also cute because it's a little cat. I think that's adorable. And then this thing is more for the bachelorette like sleepover thing. But yeah, I got these because like I think this is a foil table cover. So this will go on the tables. We have gold, but we don't have silver. And like my whole bachelorette sleepover thing is like a pink, like a baby pink, a white, and a silver. So I thought that this was gonna work very well with that. So I believe that is all for my haul for today. I also redid my nails because when I was driving to the apartment yesterday, literally one of my nails like flew off and I can't find it in my car, so I literally had to like just rip all of the nails off and put new press-ons on. But yeah, I got these from Amazon. If you guys have seen in my past vlogs, these are like the best ones for me. I think I have them right here. It should be the BT Art box nails, and there's like at least like 5 different sets in here, and this literally lasts me like 5 months. But I took a break because I wanted to like experiment with more, but I feel like these are classic ones that I don't have to worry about like, okay, if one pops off, then I have to get rid of the whole set because I can't find the other nail. So yeah, so that's all for that. I start work from 4:30 to 10, so I'm going to get started on that. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. So today I'm gonna do some more packing. I think I'm gonna do a lot of like small things, like downstairs in the kitchen, getting my metal straws and magnets from the fridge that Pat and I want to take, that of like stuff that we've been to and that type of thing. And then I also want to put away some of my pajamas that I'm not using and hopefully take them out of here, because I will be spending the night on Thursday, because Pat and I have to go from the apartment to our last and final like wedding planning appointment, which is like when we do the final payment and they kind of finalize the seating chart and all that type of stuff. So we got that at like 9 in the morning. So we have to be in the San Diego area from LA County by 9 a.m. for that. So we were just like, we might as well, just so I can get familiar with the apartment and like sleeping there. Cause I don't know if it's just me, but like, does anybody else here have like a problem with like in an unfamiliar place that's like not your house, or like a place where you like know your surroundings and the environment? Do you have a hard time sleeping? Because that is me. So I was like, I feel like I need to get like used to, one, sleeping with Pat every night and not just me and my Hello Kitty stuffed animals from Build-A-Bear, but two, also to like get myself used to being in that apartment, because I won't be at my parents' house for too long. I literally have nothing here, like at all, at any of these walls except for Harry Styles, because I don't know what to do with him. I don't want to part with getting rid of him and putting him in my keepsake box in my parents' garage, but he's got to go at some point. That might be the last thing that I do in here. But yeah, I'm going to do some cleaning of the furniture. I want to get everything out of my furniture, including my nightstand as well, and just pack all the new stuff that I got yesterday from Five Below, as well as some other small things that I can remember that I need to get rid of for right now that I don't need here, which is probably electronics and that type of stuff. So yeah, let's get started before I start work. So everything is a little chaotic. I'm going to do some like vacuuming later on. There's so much like dirt and stuff from everything. Some of the wedding stuff here is still here. We won't be able to give it to the planners until our rehearsal, which is going to be next Sunday. Not this upcoming Sunday, but next Sunday. And then I got some other things like decor, electronics. I got all of the random-esque stuff that needs to go. My books that used to be on my bookcase that I still haven't taken, as well as like the photo frames and stuff in there. I got some extra bags that I'll be putting some extra stuff in here. But yeah, that's kind of like where my nightstand is at. I'm still gonna keep the lamp right here for right now because I still need it while I'm working. My bed is completely bare. All of my little throw pillows and stuff are at the apartment. Not sure what my parents are gonna do with like my comforter and stuff, but I guess we'll see. I have all of these stuffed animals that need a home. I'm probably going to go to Target next week and put all of them in a storage container that I find from there and kind of put them in my parents' garage because there's no space at the apartment. Gotta still figure out how to pack up my clarinet, my desk and stuff. And then I think the only thing that can go right now is going to be this, which houses all of my Disney ears and my random one hat that I own. But yeah, other than that, that's just underwear and socks and stuff. So yeah, that's about it. Everything is barren up here, except for Harry. Hi guys, happy Thursday. So today I'm starting work from 3 to 9, but before we get to that, I am repurposing one of the boxes that Pat and I just got for our new furniture, which you'll see that later. It's for the living room, it's chairs. So I'm repurposing one of the boxes because I have to get rid of the stuffed animals that I am not going to be bringing to the apartment. And I'm just going to store them in my parents' garage in a box. So I was just going to repurpose the box. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to rest for a little bit, start work, and then Pat's going to pick me up after my shift at 9. And then I'm just going to stay over at the apartment overnight because we're supposed to be going to our 10-day out appointment for the wedding at the venue on Friday, so tomorrow. So I'm just gonna be there. We're gonna set up the furniture and everything, but yeah, let's get through this very chaotic day. I'm feeling productive, I'm feeling sweaty, but we're gonna get it done.